December 2nd. I've just had my first morning in the new apartment and it's been lovely. I got up early, I went to the gym that's in like the apartment complex, tested that out, it was great. Had a shower, made my breakfast, and it is now suddenly 1 o'clock. I've been chilling, just had some lunch, I've been online shopping, although I haven't technically bought anything yet. The only thing I bought was my contents insurance, which is boring, but hashtag adulting. Now I'm in a bit of a rush though. I didn't realize what the time was, and I'm going to meet my friend Erin and we're gonna go to Kmart, which is exciting, buy some things. Okay, we're at Kmart and the first item is going in the trolley. Ta-da! So we've got our trolley load of stuff and we're heading to the checkout and it's very crazy in here. So we're currently picking up cutlery and Farmers, and I feel like we've been here for like 3 hours just talking about cutlery and comparing them all, because some of them have been mixed up.
The teaspoons are a controversial point.
Yeah.
Which teaspoon do we go for?
Because I think these ones, someone's going to comment and think the other ones. These ones are just very like, imagine that in a teacup.
No.
Literally this conversation for the past like how long.
And the bottoms of the forks, which you go for.
And then I've got these spoons, but I do feel like they're quite large. But then I like a good large spoon.
But that's the other
that's
spoon
so
you could
small.
go for. It's tiny.
Man, this is so difficult. So we are currently, sorry car. We're currently in Erin's car and she just recently got a Nissan Leaf, which is like a little electric car. She asked me if we wanted to charge it on the way to my apartment and I was like, oh my god, yes. I was so excited. So we're currently at a charging station just waiting for a spot. Looks like we have one now. How's the Nissan Leaf life?
It is
What's your review?
Love this car. Everyone should buy one.
Get that power. This is so exciting! So I'm back from a Kmart adventure with Erin and I thought I'd do a little haul showing everything that I picked up. I got this cute little cushion and I just really liked the pink colors and I wanted another cushion for the couch. It was kind of an impulse purchase though, I'll be honest. I'm gonna put this away in my laundry, but I got a clothes error, which is, you know, a necessity to dry my clothes. So I also got a bunch of kitchenware stuff and Erin was really lovely and she bought me this cutlery set as like a housewarming gift or an apartment warming gift, I guess. I also got some measuring cups and spoons and I had looked at some really cutesy ones online, but at the end of the day these were cheap and they'll do the job. These three I actually ended up getting from Farmers because I just felt like the Kmart can openers and peelers were really cheap. I'm not sure what brand these were, but they came on a deal. If you got 2 you got 50% off. And then this is the Good Grips brand and my mum has one of these and they're really good, so I just got the same. Over here we have some pegs, which if you saw my first vlog you'll know that I was opening my chips and realized I had no pegs. I also got a toaster. I just got a really cheap $10 toaster, literally $10. I can't even believe you can buy a toaster for that cheap, but that's just gonna live in my cupboard, so I didn't really care what it looked like. But I wanted to get a cute kettle to put on my bench, so I'm gonna unbox those soon. I also got this really cute little dustpan. It's a cute color. In my bathroom I got this adorable bath mat. I love the color. It's so soft and I think it looks really cute when you're looking out from here in my bedroom. I've got this pink rug and little like pink tones everywhere. I also, exciting, got a toilet brush, but that's pink too. So I'm cooking my first meal officially in the apartment. Last night doesn't really count because it was lasagna that my mum made that I just reheated. But we've got some chicken tomato curry going on. I've just attempted to cook some rice in this pasta cooker. Seems to have worked. It tastes pretty good when I tested it. I also had to unbox my little kettle to heat up some water for that. Please excuse the mess I've got going on. But this is really easy. My mum makes this and it's just got a curry paste in it, a tin of tomatoes, some coconut milk, and I added some frozen peas because I just love peas, even though that's probably not what you're meant to put in a curry. And of course I've got some chicken in there. So I think this is all ready to dish up now. Ta-da! So I've got my dinner all in here in my nice black bowl. I thought that would look quite nice. And then I also have some leftovers, which I'm gonna do for tomorrow night's dinner. I could maybe even do a lunch. I think I cooked myself way too much rice. But I've done that because I have a movie screening tomorrow night, so I'm gonna be home late and I just want something super easy that I can heat up in the microwave. And I think I'm gonna keep watching Dynasty. I was watching that, the new episodes recently, and I've been loving it. So I've cleaned everything up. I put my dishwasher on. I lit some candles. I've been finishing off my champagne from the other night. I'm also exporting my homeware haul, which will hopefully be up tomorrow night. So if you haven't seen it already, go check that out. I put my glasses on because I had a bit of a headache, but I think I just got a bit overwhelmed, my brain, at the mall today. Oh. That's my dishwasher. I was trying to vlog here. We'll come over here even though the lighting is very unattractive because hopefully the sound is better. I just wanted to say I am going to bed now because my head hurts and I've been online shopping too much. So it is 10 to 8 in the morning. Usually I would have been on the bus like half an hour ago. So this is quite fun. I did want to go to the gym this morning, but I had the worst sleep last night. I could not get to sleep until like last time I looked at the clock, it was like 1 AM. I was trying everything to get to sleep and I couldn't. And I had a really bad headache that just got worse. And then my like behind my ear, what do you call it? Like your lymphs or glands or whatever. It like swelled up and my whole ear just was like a little balloon. So that was a bit painful. So instead I decided to sleep in a little bit more and I've just made myself breakfast, still gonna make lunch and then head to work. So it's actually Thursday evening now. I didn't really vlog anything else work-wise for the last couple of days just because I've been really busy, and then when I got home I was just like editing and cooking and cleaning, and I had a movie screening on one night. It's been pretty busy, but I thought I'd jump in and just end this vlog quickly. Tomorrow I'm flying to Melbourne, so I'm actually going home to my parents' house tonight, hence the packing mess situation behind me. But yeah, I hope you guys are excited for the Melbourne vlogs and that you enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did. Stay tuned for more videos, and yeah, see you in the next one.